Raz. Ah, I hate rain. Sounds groovy. So ring the bell. No way they heard that. I'm screwed. Got my violin. My water. We got a piano! Yeah! Let's go! We all just had a bomb-ass jam sesh. We played perfectly for like 23 minutes. I'm so mad I didn't film it. Like 23 minutes of just like straight up great.
How's it start again though?
I don't know. No one really knows how it starts. Like, I think we should all sit down. Album out now, link in the description. So we've just been jamming and trying to think of a band name because the Raz doesn't sound good enough for us. We need something more hipster and evocative and provocative. So we're going upstairs to Gabe's room to find anagrams and synonyms and think of a cool band name. Yo, we can call ourselves the Buddhists. The Buddhist Monkeys. We should be Fat Shamey. Instead of like Slim Shady, Fat Shamey. We'll be really loved.
We're all people.
That's it.
That's it. That's all we have to count. Can you stop filming?
Or just...
This is so fun.
We still haven't found a band name. Olivia left now. And we want to get sushi, but we kind of just aren't still on this thing. It relaxes me. We should really do something. Please, I don't want to be called Raz.
So how do you vlog? So how do you do this? Okay, this is my first eHarmony. I love cats. I love every kind of cat. I just wanna hug all the cats.
And I pray. Oh my God.